Hello and welcome to this Snackability 2.0 video. This is our shortcomings and wishlist video. My name is Christian Canizars. Let's begin. So our shortcomings are user stories we couldn't finish. I've got a few here. We had searching with barcode scanning. This is one we really wanted to add, and we started implementing some of the functionality, but then realized that the functionality required an API or a database, and we couldn't afford one. The APIs for searching for barcodes are expensive, and we were unable to do that. It's something we'd like to see in the future, though. Reminder notifications is another one that we added but decided not to, because since we were deploying with Expo, it was very complicated to send out notifications with Expo. And if it's built for iOS or Android, it'd be simpler since it's more native that way. But that's also something we wanted to add. Building the app for iOS/Android is something else that we wanted to, but the product owner decided to keep it on Expo so that we could test it with a few students here at FIU. So that's something that is probably going to be doable for Snackability 3.0 if we expect a future an official release then. Preview of the average score before consuming is one that we had worked on for a very long time, but we just simply weren't able to finish it by sprint 6. This one was just to show the score, how your average score would change before you press the consume button. This is something we wanted to add, just simply didn't have the time to do. For our wish list, we just have 3 kind of general ideas of what we'd like to see in Snackability 3.0. So one of the things is better or more gamification features. So we talked about gamifications in Sprint 5, and by Sprint 6 we were only able to implement one gamification feature, which is our leveling system and the double score weekends. But we wanted to see something else, maybe a leaderboard, some multiplayer connectivity, something that would really kind of define the app as having gamification, because currently it only has a leveling system. Another thing we talked about was better statistics on the user. So currently we collect when a user consumes a snack, but that's pretty much it. We could be collecting what their stats are throughout the week, throughout the day, kind of where they consume snacks, things like that, and we can also present that to the user, but also use it as a way to learn about the users of Snackability and how they consume snacks. Another thing was AI-based feedback recommendations. So this is something we also talked about but decided it was out of scope. What I mean by this is when you get a snack score, maybe having the feedback be based off a little bit more about what the snack is rather than these sort of general things that we have now for nutrients. Maybe if it knows, for example, it's a high-fat product, it'll recommend low fat. Or maybe if it notices you're consuming too many sugary snacks, then it will recommend something different based off of that. So just something a little bit smarter, maybe with some sort of machine learning for recommendations on what they eat, but something to that nature. That's pretty much it for this video. Again, my name is Christian Canizars, and my contact information is on the screen. And as always, you can reach Dr. Masood Sajadi, and his email's on the screen. Thanks for watching.